Customer's original setup. Manual teaching requires 2 workers 2 days for a canopy. And the base part even can't be welded by robot. STUAA new solution. Changes everything. 3-axis overhead gantry and headstock. Tailstock positioner. The welding torch can freely reach every corner. No more manual tilting needed. Loading, unloading takes just minutes, drastically improving uptime. Offline programming doubles efficiency. Engineers can program in the office and deploy directly on site, eliminating production delays. Now, workpieces that were previously impossible to weld with robots can be automated. This significantly improves welding automation for hydraulic support components. More workpiece could be welded robotically. Even multi-layer, multi-pass welding meets all quality standards.